Are you looking for the best welding screens in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best welding screens that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Tillman 603R68 Orange Vinyl Replacement Welding Curtain. The Tillman Welding Curtain is a 6x8 orange vinyl replacement curtain designed specifically for welding application. It features grommets placed every 12, ensuring easy installation and setup. This curtain provides optical protection, allowing for visibility when needed while also dispersing the arc image to ensure safety. The transparent vinyl material is flame retardant and 14 mm thick, meeting CFM approval. With its high quality and durable construction, the Tillman Welding Curtain is a reliable choice for any welding project, providing both convenience and peace of mind. Up next in the 4th place is the Revco Welding Screen with quick frame attachment. The Revco 6x80 VF1SH8 welding screen is a 6x8 14mm SAF Shade 8 screen with a quick frame attachment system for easy setup. The rigid square steel tubing and powder coat finishing provide durability. The screen contains flash and fume to protect bystanders and meets CPAI 84 and CSFM requirements for flame resistance. The 3rd product on our list is the Steiner 325 6x8 welding screen. The Steiner ArcView welding screen is a high-quality product manufactured in China. This welding screen is designed to protect you from sparks and debris while welding. Its blue transparent FR vinyl material ensures that you can see your work clearly while staying protected. The screen is 6x8 ft in size, providing ample coverage for your welding needs. Additionally, this welding screen is lightweight and easy to move around, making it convenient to use. The Steiner ArcView welding screen is an essential tool for anyone who wants to weld safely and efficiently. 2nd on our list is the Steiner Welding Curtain. The Steiner Welding Curtain is a high-quality welding screen designed to protect you from harmful UV rays and sparks while providing a clear view of the work area. With its tinted transparent material, this curtain reduces the visible flash and allows light into the work area, making it easier for you to see what you're doing. The finished hems ensure durability, and the 6 feet width and height provide ample coverage. With a thickness of 0.014 and the ability to withstand temperatures up to 150 degrees F, this curtain is built to last. The orange color adds visibility and safety to your workspace. The grommet placement on 4 sides makes it easy to hang and move the curtain as needed. California Fire Marshal approved and made in China, the Steiner Welding Curtain is a reliable choice for welding protection. Finally, the top product on our list is the Tillman 601R68 Welding Curtain. The Tillman 601R68 welding curtain is a 6x8 transparent vinyl curtain that provides optical protection while allowing light back into the work area. It features grommets every 12 inches and is CFM approved. The 14mm flame retardant vinyl is formulated to disperse arc images, making it a safe and convenient choice for welding screen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.